Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can add the value line to your chart while working in Excel. So the value line is a very important line that we use to indicate important points in our chart. For example, when we want to show where the average of the column chart is, the median, or if there is any specific point that we really want the viewer of this chart to know about. So in order to add the value line, you just come to the chart, you right click on the chart. From the list of options that come up, you will see this one, which is to add the value line. So you click on it. From what we have here, you can see that it adds this value line exactly at the average. Now we may decide to move this value line. Currently is in the right. We can decide to move it to the left by just clicking on it. You now drag it to the left. Once you see this blue indication, you leave it and it comes to the left. Another thing that you can do is that you can change what you have inside here. So I can choose to just have it as 34 or decide to change this to average. I can also decide to add multiple value lines. So to do this, I just right click and then select this value line and then right click again and select value line. So for each of these now, I can decide on what I want to add. So I can decide to change the value I have here to a text to indicate what I want my viewer to know. I can still do the same for this. Another thing that I can do is to drag this value line. So if I click on this value line, for example, I can move it to the top by dragging. I drag it to the top. It automatically takes up the value for that point. I can do the same for this. And this is just about the value lines and the various things you can do while working with the value lines in Excel. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.